guys, welcome to your current world. Today I am going to be doing an art project with you. Since Father's Day is in 2 days, I thought I can teach you guys how to make a nice Father's Day card. You'll need a piece of paper, a Sharpie or anything to outline, a pencil, or and a marker. Start off, I'm going to take my piece of paper and fold it in half, touching the corners. And when I'm done, I'm going to just crease the little folding part. Now, if it was facing me, I would open it this way, right? And if it was facing you guys, I would have opened it this way, right? So, what I'm going to start writing is this. The deer, not the animal deer, D-E-A-R, and don't put a comma, and then you're going to write whatever you call your dad. Dear Dad, or Daddy, or whatever. Dad. And then we're going to add a comma. Then you're going to go on the next part of your little paper and write maybe anything you want, like I love you. If you don't want to write the word love, what you can write instead is I take a marker and draw a heart. Color it in. So the heart would be for love. And then you can write you. I love you. So it says, Dear Dad, I love you. Or Daddy, or whatever you call your dad. And instead of a period, I am going to write and wish you a very happy Father's apostrophe before your S, Father's, and then you're going to write J. Okay? Since I'm done with that, that's all I'm going to write. Then I'm going to write love, sincerely, or whatever you want to write to end it off. Love, comma, and then you're going to write your name. So it says, Dear Daddy, or Dad, I love you and wish you a very happy Father's Day. Love, Anaya. And you can write an XOXO, or you can just draw hearts, or really whatever you want. You don't even need to do anything on the end. Like that. Now I'm going to open it, and I'm going to, on one side, draw a picture of anything that you wanted for your dad on his card. And I'll show you it in 3, 2, 1, and boom. It is your. I have me and my dad, a nice tree, the sun, and the leaves, like the grass. Now, on the other side, I can take a marker or a pencil or whatever, and I am going to write happy, H, really far away from the other letters, happy, ready? And I'm going to write Father's Day, F, far away, father, remember apostrophe above the S for the S, Father's Day. Ready? For the H, and the F, we're just going to make a little curly bubble. For the other letters, we're going to make a curly bubble and put it all into one. So it's like Happy Father's Day. And we can just make strings, color it in markers, and color it all to make it look like this. Now for the back of our card, I was thinking we can do something special. I'm going to just draw a star. If you don't know how to draw a star, there are 3 different ways. The easiest way is to draw a triangle. Flip your paper upside down and draw a triangle again. Like that. So you get a star. Then another way is the shape of the way that most people know it. Not hard and it's not easy. It's challenging, but it's not too easy, but it's not too hard at the same time. So it's kind of just right, like Goldilocks and the 3 Bears. So it says just right. I'm going to make a line like this, going diagonal, go the line down, kind of like you're starting a triangle, but don't do the bottom. From the point, I'm going to go back diagonally up. From the upper point, I'm going to go to the side. From the side point, I'm going to go down to my other point to make a star. Now, if you're doing it the other way without those little lines, you can go a triangle, but don't close it on the bottom. Do another triangle and don't close it on the bottom. And do 2 more on the bottom, and remember, don't close it. Then draw another triangle connecting the bottom and the top together. I am not good at those, so I just go with the Goldilocks one, like this. And I'm going to erase all the inner lines, so it doesn't look like we've separated triangles into one little star. And so we can write inside. Just like that. And you can just connect all the marks together. Just like that. And inside you can just write Happy Father's Day. Father's an apostrophe right before the S. Day. Dad. Or daddy or whatever you call your dad. Dad. And I'm just going to make an exclamation mark and do a little heart. And when you're done with everything, you can take your Sharpie and outline. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching.